If you are a first-time home buyer, chances are you're going to come across lots of terms that you're not really familiar with. And that can be overwhelming. It can be frustrating, especially while going through one of the biggest purchases, the biggest financial decisions of your life. Greg and Laura in Lawrenceville say, we're first-time home buyers, and there are so many terms that we don't understand. Can you go over some of the basic terms for us? First of all is an appraisal. An appraisal is a report providing the estimated value of the home. Lenders rely on appraisals to determine the home's value, so they're not lending more than it's worth. That's the appraisal. Next is contingencies. This means these are conditions that are in the contract that must be met typically within a certain time frame or by a specified date. For example, a home inspection contingency, a financing contingency, an appraisal contingency, a contingency for selling another home. Closing cost, a collection of fees and payments made to the various parties involved on your home purchase. These would be closing costs that you would pay. Your down payment varies by buyer, but is typically anywhere from 3.5% to 20% or sometimes more of the purchase price depending upon your needs. Escalation clause might come up, and this is typically used in highly competitive markets where you're saying, if somebody offers you better, I'll pay you $1,000 more than that next better offer. That's called an escalation clause. The mortgage rate is the interest rate you pay when you borrow money to buy a home, and a pre-approval letter is different than a pre-qualification. It is a letter from a lender that shows they're willing to lend you money for a home, which means they already understand your situation, have checked your credit, verified your employment, verified your income, verified that you have the money to make the down payment. So they're saying you are ready to go.